Hello guys, and welcome to my interactive newsletter on physical education. My name is Danielle Kinsey and this is going to be the October edition. The first page includes 3 different links to online resources that parents and teachers alike can use to teach physical education and healthy living in their classroom. The first link is going to be for Shaping America. Shaping America's mission is that all children are prepared to lead healthy, physical, active lives. The image here is going to be a link that'll take you directly to their homepage. And then I've just included a little paragraph about who they are and what their goals are. The second resource is going to be ChooseMyPlate.gov. This image here will be your link to their website. ChooseMyPlate.gov replaces the food pyramid, which many of us grew up using as examples of healthy eating. ChooseMyPlate.gov includes different resources on serving sizes, healthy eating, as well as recipes and tips to get your children to try things they won't like. My third resource is actually going to be the CDC. Most people understand or have heard of the CDC and know what they're used for, but I found a bunch of useful information on not diseases, but healthy living. There's specifically links just for healthy living in the classroom, which is what this link here is going to take you. And besides for classroom tips and advice, there are plenty of other resources out there for parents. On the second page, you're going to see my recommended book, which is Don't Forget Your Whistle. This book is full of all kinds of fun activities that students or children can use. I think this book could be useful for both parents and teachers because it's a bunch of just fun activities, and it's nicely drawn out that it'll be appealing to children. I have also included 2 articles for parents or teachers for the importance of physical education. Thank you so much.